Have you ever wondered how the universe works at its tiniest level? Quantum physics is the science of the smallest particles. It explains how everything interacts in our universe. This includes atoms, electrons, and photons. Let's break it down step by step. First, everything is made of atoms. Atoms consist of protons, neutrons, and electrons. These particles exist in a cloud of probability, not exact locations. Next, we have quantum superposition. This means particles can exist in multiple states at once. Picture a spinning coin. It's not just heads or tails. Now, let's talk about entanglement. It's a connection between particles, no matter the distance. If one particle changes, the other responds instantly. Imagine two dancers performing together, regardless of the stage's size. Another concept is wave-particle duality. Particles act like waves and particles, depending on observation. Think of it as a double-feature movie, two experiences in one. These concepts may seem strange, but they are real. Scientists use them to build technologies like lasers and quantum computers. In summary, quantum physics reveals a world beyond our senses. It challenges our understanding of reality and connects everything at a fundamental level. Ready to dive deeper? Explore the wonders of quantum physics today.